Did you know that most of the family businesses do not survive the third generation? That's due because most families lack communication, but most importantly, financial communication. There are many ways that families can get in the table and in the same page. But today we're going to talk about 3 key ways. One of them is to evaluate the different members' values, but most importantly, the values that are together, the key family values. This is important to build a family mission statement. And a family mission statement is important to have a vision of where the family and the business is going to be in the next following years. A second tool that is most and oftenly utilized is to develop a family constitution. Family constitution, developing some policies such as philanthropy, investments, or vacation home. And then the third one is to define roles and responsibilities. Most importantly, expectations of each member. Some of these will help you survive the third generation. For more strategies like this, you can go to my webpage, www.familyandmoneymatters.com. Hi there, it's Elaine King, expert in finance and family governance and financial planning. I hope that this video helped you achieve your financial goals, and if you like it a lot, please give it a like. And if you like to get some updates on this information, subscribe to my channel right here. And if you really like it, share it with your friends and your family and help us build a community of positive finance, making money a positive force in the world.